Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change region on the App Store. First of all, you can open the general home settings in your iPhone. After opening the settings, you can now tap on the name, and after this, you can just simply scroll down and see the option media and purchases. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on view account, and after a few seconds of loading you can see the page, and here you can see the option country or region. Tap on it, and after the loading you can see the other page, and here you can just simply change region on the App Store. You can just simply tap on change country or region, and here you can just simply select the region, and it is a way you can change region on the App Store. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.